I was asked to read the news. Early this morning, late last night, yesterday afternoon, I bring you the news nobody wants but everybody needs. Today's story is a man from Clarendon reported himself in for robbery. According to the police, the man broke in his own house, stole his own TV, and called the police on himself. When questioned, he said, and I quote,
I just some insurance money me a looking up. Want some interpreters in the youth them.
In unrelated news, or maybe very related, the same man is suing himself for emotional distress.
You really like me for this? I so enough for emotional damage.
Meanwhile, in international headlines, America is wondering why Jamaicans cuss you in 10 different ways using one phrase. Go suck your mother. Yes, this is transporter reporting with the facts and enough foolishness to always keep you smiling. Goodbye. And remember, if you can't afford AC,
Try standing in the fridge.